Hello everyone, welcome to Nath Tech Zone. Today we will learn desktop basics. What is desktop? Desktop is the main screen you see when you turn on your computer. Here, when you turn on, you will see this main screen here. It has icons. These are icons. It has taskbar. This one here down. This is a taskbar. And it has background. You see this picture here. This is the background. So think of it like your computer workspace. So that is desktop, the meaning of the desktop. Now let's check about icons. So icons are small pictures on the desktop. They represent files, folders, and application. For example, this recycle bin, this icon represents recycle bin, where everything that you delete on your computer, it goes here in a recycle bin. This one, Google Chrome icon, this is a browser icon. So if you want to open an icon, you have to double click it. You have to double click. If you want to open an icon, you have to double click it. I want to open the control panel. This icon represents control panel of the computer. I double click it. Okay, here it's open. So you can see a lot of settings here if you want to set. Let's see about taskbar. It's the bar at the bottom of the screen. This one you see here. It helps you to open programs, to switch between apps, and to see running application. Also in a taskbar you will see time and date here. This one, time and date. And you will see some notification here for notification. There is a battery icon, there is a sound, there is a Wi-Fi, and here there is hidden icons. You can see a lot of icons that are not on your desktop, but you can find them here. So it has a lot of things. The taskbar. Let's see about the start menu. So the start menu is opened by clicking the start button. It helps you to open program, to search for apps, and to shut down the computer. You have to click here, start. Then you can search for any app. For example, you want to search for Microsoft Word, you search Word. It will list all the Word versions you have on your computer. Then on your right side you will see it's written open. When you click open, then you will be able to start working with your program. If you want to shut down the computer, the correct way is to use the start menu. You come here to the start menu, to the Windows icon, you click start. Then on your right side you will see somewhere written power. You will click it. Then you will see options. You want to sleep your laptop or your computer, you want to make it shut down or to restart. So the best way to turn off your computer is using this option. Now you understand desktop basics. Don't forget to like, to share, to subscribe for more computer lessons.